Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Travel Podcast. I'm at the South Bank area, Brisbane, Australia, Eastern Water Dragon, a type of lizard. You can see the scales, green scales, the red belly. You get to go pretty close here. It's just been hanging out here for a while. Fired up the Insta 360 camera, and there it is looking right at us, right at the camera. Get a cool view of this guy on the ground. And there's lots to see here. Lots of water, some fish. We'll leave this guy behind and we'll continue on a walk. See this sheltered area with leaves or trees on the outside. Get a cool view of these hook-like structures atop and the flowers on the sides. Some pink flowers ahead and the trees wrapping around on the side. A lot of people walking through this area, including me. It's going to connect from one bridge to another and head back to the Hyatt Regency where I am staying. Looks like a restaurant just ahead. People sitting, eating, drinking, and playgrounds to the other side. This is the Riverwalk area. You can see the sign South Bank, as there are some boats coming in and out of this area. There's the bridge I left, the Goodwill Bridge, and this is going to head to yet another one. Cool to see the archway, all the flowers up top and on the sides. Definitely a nice walking area. It is early March 2026. Good weather, about 80 degrees. A little bit of a breeze. Was drizzling earlier, but now that's stopped. Not too windy, at least not in the walking area. Down below, little fountain, lots of seating areas, and a statue just ahead. Some of the other sites, the Epicurious Garden, Aqua South Bank Piazza, the Wheel of Brisbane. It is a Ferris wheel ahead, railway station, CityHopper terminal. Oh, here's some birds in the back, but I don't see them right now. Some red flowers. The birds are up ahead. Quite loud. Try to zoom in and get some of them. There's one still sitting on the branch. The rest of them flew away. Very close to the city area. Some buildings right ahead and a pavilion. Another shelter from the rain. And the archway walkway continues. Once again, this is the southern area in Brisbane. Walking through, catching views, and lots of birds in the background. And another one on the ground. This is an ibis. Have seen these earlier. You can see some of my other videos with these guys. White body, black head, and long beak. Just one. They were social. They were together earlier. Just ahead you could see some hotels, other buildings, and what looks to be street vendors. Lots for sale. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Travel Podcast, signing off in Brisbane, Australia.